Welcome to TaskSprint, an employee efficiency software. Let's see how you can allocate resource in TaskSprint. Click on the Resource Allocation tab in the sidebar. Then click on the Allocate button on the top right corner. Select the project for which you want to allocate the resources. Select the repetition type like Don't Repeat, Daily, Weekly, or Monthly. If you select Don't Repeat, then you can allocate resources only for a single date. If you select Daily, then you can allocate resources for the selected date range. If you select Weekly, then you can allocate resources for days of the week in the selected date range. And if you select Monthly, then you can allocate resources for date of the month in the selected date range. Next, select the task for which you want the resource to be allocated. Then select the resource name and enter the duration for which resource should be allocated. After clicking the Submit button, the allocated tasks will get auto-populated in the employee's timesheet and today's task in view mode. Try TaskSprint today and take your team's productivity to new heights.